Hi everyone, Del here. Today we're going to take a look at what do I carry on my SA5 sheath. So this is just a quick look at the sheath setup. There's nothing too extreme about it. There's no extra big survival kits and the 5Cs and every other type of crap. It's just keeping it simple with an off-the-shelf ESEE Survival pouch sheath that you can buy, MOLLE attachment with the pouch. There's nothing extra on there. So we'll take a look at what I carry in this. Now remember, you will have other kit within your backpack and everything like that. So it's really just what you keep on the sheath in an emergency if this is all you're left with. So let's take a quick look at this. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone's staying safe out there. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And click the like. So let's go take a look at the SA5 sheath setup. So this is my SA5, and this is an extra sheath that you can buy from them, which is MOLLE compatible with the survival pouch on it. So I'm going to show you what I've added to mine. So taking a closer look here, we've got just a custom lanyard bead from Z Beads. I've also got fire strip roll tucked in to the wee back there. You've all seen this and used it. Pro Camtech fire strip roll. It fits in. There's Velcro on the pouch there, so it fits nice and tightly, you're still leaving plenty of room for your belt loop access, everything like that, and even to attach to the MOLLE. I've also got a firesteel tucked in at the back on a G-clamp. Okay, so we'll just take that off as and when you need it. It keeps nice flat flush fit, so it won't bang about and it won't fall off. Okay, so that's the back of the sheath. In the front, so to the side, we have an emergency Siloom signaller. So I don't know if you've ever seen these or not before, but they're used by the military and it's a safety marker for signalling helicopters. I'll do a video demonstration on this in the future and show you that, but just for now I'll just give you a quick glimpse of that, and that's the emergency Siloom signalling device. So very, very handy. Furthermore, inside we have the foil blanket. I always believe you've always got room to compact a foil blanket everywhere. You know, a Mylar blanket, foil blanket, same thing. So that's just this one, thermal energy foil blanket. They're great for wrapping yourself up in, or for putting in your tarp shelter, in your basher shelter that you're making out there in the sticks. Handy, very compact. You can fold them up. Then inside, I have just a standard ESEE mini survival kit. Now I have done other videos on this, explaining what's inside, but this keeps it nice and simple for me. Bit of tape on it. So inside the mini survival kit, let's take a further look. Get you zoomed in there. So inside we have my favourite fire wicks. These plugs are brilliant. So these are the standard NATO issue ones. Pro Camtech do them too. Brass snare wire, bit of paracord, a BCB nano striker. These are really good. I like these. I think they call them Ranger strikers too, actually. But good bit of kit, and you can replace the ferro rod in it itself. A good quality button compass. These are great. These are the bright lights, bright strike lights. So I'll maybe do a video on these. These are quite expensive to buy on their own, but you snap it and then it lights up for a long time. Again, very good bit of kit. An extremely good little fishing kit in there. You can see the lures and the hooks. It's really good quality. Okay, that's inside that. Another cutting device when you're doing smaller work, finer work. The signalling mirror. I really like these. These are the distance signalling mirrors for signalling the aircrafts. So It's a compact emergency signal mirror, really good. And the ESEE Knives Adventure Training card, so they're really good, the cards that come with them. It's just a wee prompt card, so when you are out in the hulu, you know, your mind might not always be on everything as you need it to be, or as sharp as you want it to be, so to have hint cards is a great thing, and this is a great thing. You can buy these in separate sets as well, so I like these. I like great prompt cards, they're really good. So that's a quick look inside what's my ESEE 5 sheath setup. That's what I carry in it, and that's what I like in it. The ESEE 5 is a great all-round survival knife, as you'll see. This is my custom one. I absolutely love this. It was the first ESEE that I bought, and it is one that I'll be keeping. So that's that. So thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there. Keep prepping. Prepper Del out.